We are the little stars shining bright today. Dreams are in our pockets, ready for the way. Every smile is magic, every hope is new. The world becomes a rainbow when we walk through. Hold our hands and guide us, show us love and light. With kindness in our footsteps, everything feels right. Happy Children's Day to us. We laugh, we learn, we play. Let every child be safe and free. In every place, in every way. Happy Children's Day to us. Let dreams come true and stay. We are the future of this world, bright as the sun's first ray. Books and songs and stories teach us how to grow. Courage in our little hearts always starts to glow. When we help each other, when we care and share, a better world is waiting with love everywhere. Hold our hands and guide us, show us love and light. With kindness in our footsteps, everything feels right. Happy Children's Day to us. We laugh, we learn, we play. Let every child be safe and free. In every place, in every way. Happy Children's Day to us. Let dreams come true and stay. We are the future of this world, bright as the sun's first ray. Let's dream together, sing together, grow in
आप लोग ड्रेस बहुत अच्छे से हुए थे एंड आपके पेरेंट्स के भी एफर्ट्स होंगे स्पीच देने दी होगी मतलब कि आपने 2 पॉइंट्स बोले तैयार मम्मी लोगों ने किया होगा